Hi everyone, this is Anna from WP team, and in this video I will show you how to update your theme version to latest WpResidence 5.05. This video shows how I updated the live demo of napa.WpResidence.net. You may not need to check everything that is shown in this video, but these are all the possible situations you would need to review after the theme update is done on your end. So let's get started. The theme update will be done via the Envato Market plugin. We have a separate video for how to set this up, which I will share in the description. After you update the theme and you verify it has the latest version next to it, then you will follow the header notice or go to Appearance, Install Plugins, and update the mandatory plugins. The mandatory plugin you always have to update is WpResidence Core Functionality. You have a separate menu for the plugins that must be updated, and you can simply click on the update button from that area. If you use Elementor free as your page builder, then you will also need to update the plugins that are connected to Elementor. These are the WpResidence Elementor Add-on and also the new WpResidence Elementor Studio for who is using this for custom headers and footers in WpResidence theme. After you finish updating the mandatory and the optional plugins that you are using on your site, you will be able to see all the new theme changes we already presented to you in our release video a few days ago. As you probably know, you also need to make sure you delete the theme cache if you use that, as I'm doing now. If you use third-party cache options, you have to delete the cache from the third-party plugins, server, CDN, or browser if needed. Next, I will show you what you need to check for this particular theme update. In front end, the pages created with Elementor may show different sizes and widths. You will need to edit with Elementor such pages. When you will do that, then you will be loading the new Elementor style options added to WpResidence widgets. It may be possible to see a different space to the arrow dropdown. You will simply add the needed space value to the field as I am doing now from the form builder widget for Elementor. For the display categories widget, if you use the category design type 4, you will need to select this type again from the widget. You will simply select the widget and save. If you see a border below the menu and you wish to remove this, you can do it from theme options, header design. You have a specific control for the border height and you put 0 and save. That will remove the border from the home page, and if you use the theme cache, just clear it and then you will see the new change happening on your site. If you see the custom footer social icons not aligning correctly, you will only need to open the footer template with Elementor to load the correct styling again. There is also a new control to modify the colors of the social widget. You can manage that from the style options. With the new Bootstrap 5 support, any top margin we had to use before for the first section in a page created with Elementor can be deleted. Use Elementor to edit the page, select the first section, and delete the margin as in this example. The last item you need to check is the child theme. The child theme is not needed in general, but if you use the child theme for your personal customizations or for translations, please note that the functions file from the theme included child theme has been updated. This update is required to match the Bootstrap 5 framework. You can find the updated version of our child theme in the theme pack. You can copy only the functions file in your child theme, or you can replace the entire child theme, which will include our latest theme included translations as well. Remember to have a backup if you have custom translations or customizations. This will allow you to easily move your customizations to the latest child theme if needed. If you have any questions or you need assistance, please contact us through our support team to help you through the process. Thank you for watching.